Let's meet Davani. She's a communication and theater major who's making the most of life on campus. The student body at UAlbany is a diverse bunch, representing many backgrounds and cultures. Between the varied clubs, activities, facilities, and more, Great Danes can always find a way to get involved, just like Davani. Tell us all about it.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. As a New Yorker, I'm used to being surrounded by diversity, and I wanted to attend a university that reflected that same energy. With more than 250 clubs and organizations at UAlbany, I have found countless ways to get involved, and it has given me the perfect balance of opportunities to stay engaged, meet new people, and grow. One of the things I love the most about UAlbany is the vibrant campus life. Whether you're interested in the arts, student government, or cultural organizations, there's something for everyone. For me, theater has been a major part of my journey. I've performed in multiple shows with the theater department and other clubs. I've built confidence and friendships that will last a lifetime. Student well-being is also a priority here. The Well is a space dedicated to helping students recharge. Being able to express myself and unwind in the dance studio at the Well has been an incredible way to de-stress and stay balanced. And staying active is easy with their recreation and wellness programs, which include everything from dance classes to fitness training. Food is also a huge part of the college experience, and UAlbany makes sure students have access to diverse and delicious options. With global cuisines offered across campus, there's always something new to try, whether you're in the mood for comfort food or exploring flavors from around the world. I have an internship with UAlbany Dining and love hosting events on campus, which bring people together and create a sense of community. At UAlbany, I've learned the importance of stepping outside my comfort zone and embracing new experiences. I've discovered my passions and developed skills that'll last long after graduation. UAlbany isn't just a campus, it's a community that encourages students to thrive. Back to you, Alex.
Amazing, Davani. From performing and staying healthy to trying new foods and building lifelong friendships, you are proof that anyone can do what they love at UAlbany, and then some. Thanks again for sharing your story.